Maintaining network uptime and resilience in today's demanding environments requires a solid foundation of structured Cisco IOS operational practices. This briefing outlines specific workflows for mastering iOS navigation, executing initial device hardening, performing layer-by-layer troubleshooting, and maintaining long-term operational discipline. Standardizing these sequences establishes a repeatable engineering model, ensuring that every configuration change and diagnostic step is predictable and secure. Cisco IOS uses a hierarchical access structure. You begin in user exec for read access, escalate to privileged exec for diagnostics, and move to global config for device settings. Efficient navigation relies on built-in tools: the question mark for help, tab for autocomplete, and do for diagnostic checks. This sequence shows a standard engineer session, landing at the user exec prompt, using enable to escalate, and entering configure terminal to modify the system state. New devices follow a strict hardening sequence. Set a strong enable secret, encrypt all plain text passwords, secure the console line, generate RSA keys for SSH access, and deploy mandatory legal banners. This entire security sequence must be completed before you commit the running configuration to NVRAM. Completing these steps ensures that no device enters the production environment with exploitable default settings or unprotected access lines. When investigating connectivity loss, operations shift to systematic interface verification and IP layer diagnostics. Use show interfaces to diagnose physical layer faults like CRC errors. Use show IP interface to identify IP layer issues, such as traffic blocked by an inbound access list. For a dropped remote site, verify the route to the subnet, check the interface status for down-down states, and use CDP to validate layer 2 adjacency with connected neighbors. These 5 commands constitute the golden sequence for accessing any unknown device: show version, show IP interface brief, show IP route, show running config, and show log. Executing these 5 commands in order eliminates wasted effort and rapidly narrows the fault domain during critical outages. Confident operations are built on 4 principles: mastering the primary show commands, saving configurations after every change, using debug tools sparingly with filters, and documenting every interface description. Integrating these workflows into your standard operating procedures reduces configuration errors and shortens the time to resolution for network events.